Alright, so today we have to put our new transponder on for our GPS. This is the new one. And this one, can you see right over here, down, is the old one. So we're going to take that out. We've got to drill a new hole up here. That's the old hole. You can see how small it is. There's no way I can get that in that hole. So, we've got a 5/8 inch drill bit. It's a pretty big hole to drill in the boat. And we're gonna put that in. So let's show how you do it. There on that side. It's not working. Alright, so my cordless was not powerful enough. I don't know if the batteries are bad or what. So we got us a corded. We're going to try this again. Get a shot looking straight in the hole first. Are you recording? Yes.
You can see the light in there.
Yeah.
Go.
Alright. Well, Chase, we're going to put in our new hydraulic pump. Ooh. There's our old one. There's our new one.
It's red as blood. And then the annoying Caleb comes again. Pour the whole gallon.
This side, actually. There we go.
So right now my dad is searching for the ground wire. No clue what that is.
Ask Grandpa. He'll tell you all about it.
Huh.
He knows electricity.
There are ground wires and everything. Those are the batteries that we put in like a month ago.
About a month ago now, wasn't it?
A month ago. And we also took out that part right there.
The generator?
The generator.
Yeah.
And we also fed through that wire up there.
Oh, we need to finish doing that today too. You want to see the generator? Oh.
Okay. We're gonna go see the generator. That white thing is the generator. Can you scooch the card over, Dad? I want to put something, I want to rest my feet on something.
You see it?
Yes.
You watching?
That white thing, yes. What did it spit out?
Oil and water.
And now we're down from the ladder up there.
So I totally forgot that I had a sensor removed from here that I'm waiting on. And so I spit all the oil out of the generator. That's awesome.
Don't turn it on. It's way too loud.
Turn it on.
Turn it on once you're holding this and I can plug my ears.
Oh, I won't turn it on because I'm not without that sensor.
You'll like get the
I won't turn it on
oil
without the sensor. That was water. It'll happen. We'll film that again. Later on.
It startled me. I nearly dropped the phone.
Stand up, Caleb. Go back there. He's going to hand you a wire.
Right here. Get up there.
Oh, pressing it up. We're getting to the new wire, Dad.
Make sure it's untangled, Caleb.
Yeah, I'm undoing the 12s. Because they're on.
My part is feeding it through them.
Wait. The 12.
Chase, look up here. Come up here.
These 12.
Can I pull some more? How much more wire do I have, boys?
See what's on
There's the end.
There's something that
How much more wire do I have?
AF, and there's like little corners.
Okay, that is all the wire we need. Go ahead and hop out, boys.
Can I press the AF thing? Dad, can I press that?